Butterfly Garden with coupon for live caterpillars. Raise real butterflies from caterpillars. It's easy. Watch for a week as your caterpillars eat and grow to 10 times their original size. Next, they'll hang upside down and shed their skins to form chrysalids. After a week, see them emerge as beautiful painted lady butterflies. The pop-up habitat is a perfect home for your butterflies. After observing your butterflies, experience the joy of releasing them into your backyard. Includes colorful habitat, coupon for 5 butterfly larvae with special food, and complete instructions. Ages 4 and up.